group of friends is swimming in the ocean when a sudden wave or storm hits. The water spins them around like toys, but luckily, they all survive the terrifying moment. A giant ship crashes into a massive ocean wave, and the pressure is so intense that the entire vessel sinks. Luckily, the passengers were rescued in time, but the ship was completely lost to the sea. This footage shows a ship floating in the middle of a dark black ocean. The water pressure is intense, waves are rising, and people on board are panicking. The scene is terrifying as the ship fights to stay afloat in total darkness and fear. People ignored warning signs and sat by the beach, and when the water flow suddenly became dangerously strong, they panicked and fled, proving how reckless we are in underestimating nature's power until it nearly kills us. This footage shows a ship floating in the middle of a dark black ocean. The water pressure is intense, waves are rising, and people on board are panicking. A group of friends risked a picnic in the water despite clear dangers. And when the current suddenly surged toward them, they barely escaped, highlighting our reckless chase for fun, even when nature warns us away. This massive collision happened because one ship's crew ignored their duty, staring at a phone instead of watching the sea, proving how dangerous our constant distraction can be, even when lives hang in the balance. Though Nepal is landlocked, in this scene people on a small boat are tossed back and forth by sudden strong waves, flipping the boat and forcing them to struggle to stay upright. Despite clear warnings of rough seas, the ship stayed its course. And when the violent water flow hit, it flipped the vessel like a toy, exposing how negligence can turn routine voyages into near disasters. A huge ship capsized from a massive ocean wave, and people are desperately escaping with their lives.